day, everybody. We're bringing you out to Hemingway Harbor, to the marina, to see what's going on here. We haven't been actually out on the marina before. If you like our content, please reach down to the bottom there and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps us tremendously. Helps with the algorithms. I was curious how deep the water is here, and I can see it's not very deep, very shallow. Which tells me as the lake goes down, it goes out quick. Yeah, over to the side over there, they're extending the launch ramp. We drove down on it. They're widening it as well, hopefully to speed up the ability to launch your boats here. We haven't been here to the marina, so we're trying to see what they've got. I see a gas pump there. I don't know if those are gas pumps. I don't think they're gas pumps. I don't know what they are. You got an ice house over here. If you need to get ice. Those are just water hoses. I assume maybe you can wash your boats. See, they got these up out of the water. Courtesy dock parking. You want to come in and get a quick snack. I assume there's snacks and stuff here. We're going to find that out. Security office. It says Harbor House Cafe. That'd be cool if they actually have served food here. Got some bigger boats that are just stored here, I guess, whenever they want to come out and play. Curious how deep the water is here. No idea. They do have a restaurant right there.
Daryl had some cards in there.
Here's the easy way to go boating if the lake goes dry. Yeah, get in. Get in. Get in. Too small? You're small. You're not small enough? All right. Oh well.
You look good.
It's a nice place. I wouldn't have thought it from looking out at the parking lot.
Yeah.
We haven't been here before, so.
Right?
Jai? Pretty nice place. Yeah, we haven't been in here, so it's surprising to us to see this.
If I were to the sea, baby, I never say, for I would fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me, for I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never gone, just have regrets. So I won't go back, oh Lord, guide me to forget the time I lost, with no
Nice.
regrets, and the moon shine back again.
The cafe here serves really good food. Look, yeah. Well, we have it in the box to go because we're heading back home. Yeah, they're huge. I bet they're more than 10 pounds. A lot of rental stuff here. Food from the Harbor House. We drove to Lake Mead just to get some lunch. 5 hours each way. It's not a bad day today. It's right around 90. Yeah. Right around 90. There was a couple little sprinkles of rain just a few minutes ago from these little oddball clouds that are lingering around. Little sea-doos are kind of cool. Looks like you can do 3 people in that one. That's not too bad. You can do 3 persons in that.
This then too. We can go sit there.
No, I doubt, I imagine it belongs to somebody. I don't know that. You can see though that we're literally down in what would be the lake. You see that line, the bathtub ring going all around the lake here. They told me underneath the marina, she says she thinks it's like 30 feet under the marina, 30 feet of water. Video interesting. Hope you enjoyed going out on the marina with us. If you'd please reach down, mash that like and subscribe, we'd appreciate it. Doesn't cost you anything and it helps us a lot. Thanks for watching.